8325 Harbour Shores. We are in the Biscayne Bay community. There's a satellite dish. There are basketball courts, barbecue area, clubhouse, community pool, jogging areas, park, playground, and pool. So there is quite a bit going on in this community. And the MLS lists the HOA fee at only $80 a month. It's just over 2,200 square feet, 4 bedrooms. The color is a little bit pinker, peachier than we generally like, so I might just say budget for a complete repaint, which is about $1.50 a square foot. Replace the blinds with 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. There's 5 in this room. The picture windows don't need it. Maybe consider just cleaning that window and seeing how much it clears that. Okay, so we have this ginormous fruit tree, concrete. We have some grass, some dead grass as well. 5 more windows, so I believe we're at 5. I think we're at 10. Definitely want to replace these counters and remove this kitchen light and install something a little more modern. It's really great to have an eat-in area though. Then we have more concrete patio over here. And 2 more windows and a pet door. The tile looks really nice. And we have a bedroom right at the front of the house with French doors and a closet, so it's definitely a bedroom. And then we have a full bath. We need a shower rod, replace the drain ring for about $65. The cabinets are looking a tiny bit dated, so maybe budget for that if the property manager feels it's necessary. Of course, you change out this door's lock, the garage door, and the front door with landlord locks. Then you'd want to make sure all the hardware matches. So you have carpet going up the stairs, and you have a dated light fixture. Where? Oh. Yeah, it's entirely possible there's a leak at some point. Yep. Sorry. So when you repaint, of course, you fix those seams. Carpet looks pretty good. It's an interesting shaped bedroom. So it's great that there's already tile in place. We always want tile or waterproof vinyl plank in wet areas. We need a shower rod in here as well. This is a nice size. Replace this for $165. There's a lot of brass in here throughout the entire property. So either you have to go through and replace all the brass, or whatever you bring in as far as hardware needs to be brass as well. Okay.